Hey everybody, it's Dean Etheridge, and this is video 9 of 20 on WordPress 101 blogging for dummies. And today we're going to be talking about how do I write posts and pages. I get asked that a lot. People are intimidated by HTML and web design, but with WordPress and blogging in general, you don't have to really worry about knowing a whole lot about HTML. If you can work Microsoft Word or any kind of word processor, you can have success. It's very, very simple with WordPress, and I'm going to walk you through that today. When we go into WordPress, we're going to be talking about a dashboard a lot. Okay, so you're going to log into your dashboard. Basically, you go into your site, wp-admin, log in with your username and password, and this is what it looks like from the beginning. So this is what the dashboard looks like. You can see that I've got 70 posts. If I want to write a quick article, I can go into Quick Press, but mostly what I do is I write posts and pages once I have my original design set up. And a post is simply, if I can work again, I'm going to go to Add New Post, and I'm just going to write in test, sample post. Okay. Now remember earlier in video 8 we talked about design tips and inserting images, but I'm going to go in now and insert an image. So at the top of this, let's go back to, this is what's called the kitchen sink. You want to show or hide the kitchen sink. You see this button here? That's how you can show or hide the kitchen sink. It just gives you more font sizes. I always like to go to heading 1 on my original to give my post a title. That will help you with your SEO. And so if you'll put that under the heading, you can change the color of that. We'll change that to blue. But then I can start writing my article. Okay, so I'll say hello world. But I want to go back and I want to show you how you can insert pictures or videos. Let's go back to that. And this is, I'll go in and then I can select something from my computer. And this is important to where I go in to my pictures on my computer. And I'm just going to go to any old picture, okay? I've got blog pics, which is what I work out of. I've created a file for that. But let's say that I want to do 365 thank yous, okay? I can load that up. Now, one thing I want to do, 365 Thank Yous is a book. I use send out cards, and it's a book about writing thank you notes one a day for a year. Completely changed this guy's life. So it's on send out cards. I could write greeting cards, thank you notes in my title to give that a page. But I can also go into alternate text, send out cards, custom greeting cards, okay, for alternate text. Just to give you an idea, those give you more keywords in your post. I'm just doing this real quick today. Full size. And going back to themes, it talks about using this as a featured image, okay? We're going to, I've got a theme that uses featured images. That's where the images show up on your screen, similar to this. This is a featured image. So I'm going to use that as a featured image for today, and then insert this into the post, okay, which will put it inside where I've told it to go. And then I just can continue, writing my article here. How are you? And I can go in here and obviously put links in here. Insert a link. I can put that out to send out cards if I want to. appreciationwithcards.com. And that will open. I want to open that link up in a new window, okay? But when they click on that, that's going to go to appreciationwithcards.com. So continue on. I can put bullet points. I can do a numbered list. And what I want to do, and I'm going to go into optimizing the content later. So follow me on the next video, video 10, on how to optimize your content. But I'm just showing you the basics today. I can change the color of that. I can change it to, again, a different font size. I can paste it from Word. There's lots of options in here, but basically it's just a word processor. and I want to hit, this is set follow. That's a little bit more advanced, not really worried about that. But one plugin you need is the all-in-one SEO pack, or a good SEO plugin, and that's why you want WordPress.org versus WordPress.com, so you can add plugins. WordPress.com you cannot. So I want to select a category once I have it in, and you want to have categories based on broader terms. I've got send out cards here, but I'm going to switch mine to greeting cards, thank you cards, maybe Christmas cards, because those categories do show up on your front page, and they help you, again, to tell the message of your overall site, what you're actually blogging about. So in your categories, make those more general. And then write your article. You want quite a few keywords on your article. We're going to talk about, again, how to optimize your content and what to think about before you go into it. But that's pretty much it. You can add images where you want. One other thing that we want to do is, if you want to know how to put videos into your post, okay, there's a visual which shows me what the post is going to look like whenever I publish it, and an HTML, okay. And now I'm going to my YouTube channel, and you're going to use HTML sometimes, but you want to make sure when I'm here, I want to hit enter, and I want to see these things after I hit enter. You see this and NBSP? Okay, that's where this goes. I'm going to go to pick out one of my videos, and we're going to post that video inside my blog. So I hope this is helpful. I'm going through this pretty quick, but I select one of these videos. What is the theme? I hit share. I go to embed code. I copy that embed code, okay, from my YouTube channel. You definitely want to set up a YouTube channel before you start doing all this, in my opinion, because video marketing is completely where it's at. But once I'm there, I go in here and I paste that code, and if I go back to visual, you will see that now I have a video in my post, and it's going to be in there when I'm ready. Now I'm going to publish this, and I've got a way my slider to hit tags, and I'm not going to go into that. That's a little bit more advanced stuff, but I can select the category that's for marketing ideas if I want, and I'm going to go ahead and publish that. I'm going to go back in and delete that, but I want to show you what that looks like. Once I hit publish, okay, it's saving it to my site. And let's go back out and refresh Dean Etheridge, okay, and you'll see what that looks like. Okay, I've got test and that picture that was in there. So now when I go into my post, that's what my article looks like. Pretty simple. Need no design help or anything like that. But my video is there, my picture is there. Hello world, how are you? I can go and click on my link. It opens up in another page, and as you can see, it's opening up to my send out cards page. So wherever you want your links to go, set those up. We'll go back in and delete that post now, because I don't want anybody to see that. I'll fool with that later. But at any rate, that's how you do a post, and you do the same thing with a page. As you'll see, it looks exactly the same. You know, I can go into add new. I'm going to have my pages. These are all my pages that I posted, but I go to add new, and it's the same exact thing. Now, where it's different is you've got menus that you want to set up. Okay, pages are different. These are my pages. Your post will go in the middle of your blog, and your pages are going to go up on the top on the navigation menu. And it looks like there, now it's moving. Okay, these are my pages here. My post and my articles are in my slider, and they're also in the body of my blog, as you can see. These are articles. These others are pages. And we go into menus to change how the pages look. Okay, you're going to go to appearance. See, in your dashboard, you've got all these options over here. It's not that difficult. Mainly, you got to know pages, post, some about your theme options, whatever your theme has. But the appearance is here, and you can we want to select menus. Where's menus? Let's see here. There's menus right here. And I've already selected menus. So these are how my pages are laid out in my main navigation. You see home, about, contact, training videos. You'll see the pages over here, and we want to add those to my main menu. So I select add to menu. I go over here, drag them in, and then I save my menu. It's that simple. My secondary navigation is these right here: success tools, marketing ideas, Empower Network. That's where my secondary menu is. So you'll see that those are here, and those go in the bottom part of my. If you've got a secondary menu, if your theme allows for that, that's where you would put those. So what else? I think that's it for now. I'm going to be talking about themes or plugins here in just a few minutes, and widgets, explain what widgets are, but that's enough for now, and we will see you on the next video. I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.